It's the start of a story with many chapters.
It's not only an effective vaccine, but more importantly, it's a safe vaccine.
Major pharmacies like Walgreens and CVS will soon help vaccinate healthcare workers, as well as employees and residents in long-term care. The start of vaccinations in America.
We expect that this will take us through the end of February, and then somewhere towards probably the end of March into early April when we start to vaccinate the general population.
When it's my family's time to take it, we'll take it without hesitation.
Dallas County Judge Clay Jenkins spoke about the rollout in North Texas.
We are going to work to make sure that it is distributed in an equitable way so that it goes to the people at the highest risk first. People won't be able to jump in line because of who their friends are or whatnot. And it'll be done in a way that takes into account the disproportionate impact that this is having on our communities of color.
And they wanted to remove the cost obstacle. So for anyone who is eligible and who receives the vaccine, it won't carry a cost.
Walgreens chief medical officer told me in the spring you'll be able to get a shot at the store. But what should you do while you wait?
It is not possible right now to get on a waiting list. But over the course of the next few months, there will be more information coming out about how to do this.
It's a story without a script, but COVID vaccinations are now underway.
We do not have enough vaccine available for all Americans. Eventually we will. It's fundamentally important that people follow the rules. Hand hygiene, social distancing, and masks.
In Dallas, I'm Alex Rozier.
Now, we could be just a few days away from having a second COVID vaccine in the pipeline, and Moderna's might end up being the one that's available at your doctor's office. Today, the FDA announced that it's, quote, highly effective, and the same independent panel that reviewed Pfizer's vaccine will examine Moderna's on Thursday. Assuming no complications, the FDA can authorize emergency use the next day, and companies could start shipping doses out sometime this weekend. Moderna's vaccine is shipped in smaller quantities than Pfizer's, and it doesn't have to be stored in ultra-cold conditions.